You've got a minute? Perfect. I'm Nicolas Bouffard from Devoteam. Let's unlock business value in 60 seconds. AI isn't about experience, it's about measurable impact. With AWS services like Bedrock and SageMaker, the technology is here. The real challenge? Turning AI into revenue, savings, and customer loyalty. An aerospace company asked us to develop a platform to collect, test aircraft data. The results? Reduced maintenance and cost from automated pipelines and eased communications, model transmissions between users. This is just an example of how we help clients turn AI into profit. That's your 60 seconds to value. With AWS and Devoteam, it's not just cloud, it's business impact.